hi. What else? Hi, Maggie. Okay. Say hi. Wow, you have so much to say. What else you want to say? What? Really? What else, baby? What do you want to say, Mags? Oh, goodness. Can you say Maggie? That was pretty close. What about hi? What? Sounded like hello. Good job. Can you say goodbye? Oh, good job. Oh, that's really good, honey. What? Oh. What else? What do you want to say? There's a cute little smile. I say see you later. See you later. Say bye. Bye. Goodness.